welcome to episode 2 of the Van Build series. My name's Jay, I'll be your host. Today we're going to be doing some insulation. I'll take out the roofing. My little helper, Xena, is very excited to get started. We'll also take out the dual battery and position it somewhere a bit better. I did take off the panellings yesterday. I might treat some rust on it, same way I did as the roof yesterday. So yesterday we just treated the roof for rust and some of the back and painted over it. Once the insulation gets in, I think it'll go a lot quicker. Okay. Unfortunately the hardware store did not have the insulation that I wanted, which was a 3-way insulation for padding, which did sound heat and cooling. Alternatively, I've gotten these ones, which this is called Earthwall. It's made out of recycled glass bottles. This is also it's like Reflectix, so it stops about 97% of heat coming through. I've also got some insulating duct tape, which is quite expensive. It's almost as much as this. Yeah, so we'll get started with the glass insulation. You're going to need to wear protective gear because you can breathe it in, which is quite dangerous. Unfortunately it's a bit windy today, so I'm hoping it doesn't fly up too much, but I'll try and cut it all to shape. Down. No, you're excited. I'll try and cut it all inside and then fit it in the van. I'm going to take these roof panels off. The previous owner put LED lights all around, but they're behind the framing. I also need to take it off just to put the insulation on up against the ceiling here anyway. It's pretty daggy anyway. I do want to replace it, so let's get started on that. Okay, so I finished all the electrical. I put this panel back on. I think in future mechanics will need to access it, so I'm going to leave it accessible. Just going to patch up some of these drill holes that the previous owner had his structure in there for. I'll use the thermal tape and then we'll start the installation. Just about to start on the insulation, but as I said, it's got glass fibrous pieces, so face mask, very important, and of course it doesn't fit. Let me work on this. Alright, I got it working. I don't know if you saw that, but it doesn't stick very well. I'm gonna try a different approach. Realize there's nothing for me to actually drill into. If I drill into that, it's going to go straight through the roof. I'm going to need to put these things back in just so that I can secure the roof, the ceiling mount on it. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Finished the wall lining. Looks like a bearskin, bear fur cave at the moment. I put the roof railing things back on there just to give it some support, and I can drill on the roof in as well. I'm gonna get started on the reflecting. It should cover it up and seal it in. All those silver speckles are where all the holes were from the previous owner. Very holy van. For me, nothing holy is going to happen in that van, so it needs to be covered up. Sorry about the noise, there's a long mowing going on. I'm just about to lay down the Reflectix, so I'll put it on the floor, the walls, the ceiling, all the way around, and it'll form a seal as well to stop any moisture going in and out. I have finished putting the Reflectix on the floor. It's getting a bit late and it is a Saturday. My friends are waiting at the pub, so I'm going to go join them. Hoping to get the walls done as well, but that'll have to wait till tomorrow. I'll put up more Reflectix here, cover the wheelbase, and then we will start on the flooring and the walls tomorrow. I read the instructions and I realized that this is actually upside down. It's supposed to be the silver side up, so I'm gonna have to pull that out and redo it again. Okay, I just realized I'm an idiot. Second time around, I cut it upside down. Okay, I'm not going to bother with the template anymore. I'm just going to cut it in modular pieces and then stick it on one by one. Otherwise I'm wasting too much of the insulation. Just finished insulating the van. It's taken me 2 days, but it's done right. I know today's episode is not overly interesting, but it has to be done. But yeah, see my silver castle. Tomorrow I'm gonna lay plywood over it so that I can lay the flooring and the walls. Getting a bit late, so I think I'm gonna call it quits for today. Thanks for joining.